Edit UV allows you to switch U and V directions, as well as to independently reverse U and V directions of flow on any number of surfaces. After the surfaces are selected, a UV tangent arrow control will appear at the center point of each surface, and if enabled, temporary flow lines are drawn on the surfaces. You can also use the propagate option to change all targeted surface U and V directions to match those of a seed surface. Reflow UV allows you to redefine the flow by specifying a rotation angle or new boundary curves. First, select the surface you want to reflow. Then, select rotation angle to place a rotation control at the center of the parent surface. The flow is initially aligned with the U direction. Select boundary curves to choose up to 4 curves to define the boundaries of a new surface to be formed over the existing surface. The flow is redefined by the shape of the new boundary curve. For more information on enhancements to Mastercam 2021, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.